In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WordPress.com ads to set up and manage advertisements on your WordPress site effectively. If you've been wondering how to monetize your WordPress blog or website, follow along as I guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you maximize your site's potential. To begin, you'll need to log into your WordPress.com account. Open your web browser and head over to the WordPress.com login page. Enter your credentials to access your WordPress dashboard. Once logged in, search for WordPress.com. Everything you need to build your website. This is where you'll find the resources and tools necessary to get your ads up and running. Next, navigate to the administrative area of your WordPress site by going to localhost WordPress WP admin. This is your command center where you have control over all aspects of your WordPress site. Now let's focus on installing the plugins we need for managing ads. In the sidebar, locate and click on the Plugins option. From there, select Add New to begin the installation process. You'll notice a search box at the top right corner of the Add Plugins page. Type Ad Inserter into this box, which is a well-known plugin for managing ads on WordPress sites. Once you find Ad Inserter in the search results, click on Install Now to begin the installation. After the plugin is installed, you'll need to activate it. Click on Activate to enable the plugin, making it ready for use on your site. With the plugin activated, head over to the settings by clicking on Settings in your dashboard and then Add Inserter. Now we need to configure the plugin to suit your advertising needs. Click on Block 1 to start setting up your first ad unit. Select the locations where you want your ads to appear. You can choose from options like posts, homepage, and category pages. This flexibility allows you to customize ad placements based on your site's layout and content strategy. After selecting the desired locations, click on Insertion to choose how your ads will be inserted into the content. Think about your audience and how they interact with your site when deciding on placement. Lastly, create an ad that meets your specific requirements. You can adjust features to align with your marketing goals or promotions. Once you're satisfied with the setup, don't forget to save your configurations. Click on Save to ensure all your settings are applied. And that's it. You've successfully set up ads on your WordPress site using the Ad Inserter plugin. By following these steps, you've taken a significant step towards optimizing your website for ad performance. Keep experimenting with different ad placements and types to find what works best for your audience. Thanks for following along, and happy advertising.